3, 2, 1.
Which component stores energy in a circuit? The answer is A, capacitor. What type of bond is formed between a carbon atom and a hydrogen atom? The answer is A, covalent. What tool is used to cut fabric or paper precisely? The answer is C, scissors. Which book is about a man stranded on an island with a Bengal tiger? The answer is B, Life of Pi. Which nationality was the author of the 1817 novel Rob Roy, just like the hero of the story? The answer is A, Scottish. What's spoken in the dark and written with light? The answer is D, chalk. What type of hat is a topper or Homburg? The answer is A, fedora. What is a coffee percolator used for? The answer is A, boiling water. What does CPI stand for in economics? The answer is B, corporate profit index. What is the central piece of Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling? The answer is A, creation of Adam. What is the term for expelling air out of the body through the nose or mouth? The answer is A, exhalation. Which of these people was not born in New Jersey? The answer is B, Chuck Yeager. What is the first line of the U.S. Marine Corps hymn? The answer is A, From the Halls of Montezuma. What type of fertilization do most reptiles have? The answer is A, internal. In which part of Africa could you most likely hear Jelakai Jnu Jar when a New Year's celebrations start? The answer is C, South Africa. What is the value of cotangent cot of an angle that is equal to its tangent? The answer is D, infinity. Name this Dutch shortwave radio program that ran for a total of 77 years on Radio Nederland and its predecessor. The answer is C, the happy station. Which behavior will best help a student stay healthy? The answer is C, eating fruits and vegetables each day. What are scissors primarily used for in school? The answer is A, cutting paper. Which celestial object was first thought to be a single star, but later found to be multiple stars orbiting each other? The answer is A. Pleiades. What is the most widely accepted theory for the creation of the universe? The answer is C. Big Bang. Which technology was first developed for the U.S. military and is now used for navigation? The answer is A. GPS. What is the name of the first privately funded spacecraft to reach orbit? The answer is A. SpaceX Dragon. Michael Palin won a British Academy BAFTA Award for his work on which film? The answer is C. A Fish Called Wanda. Which country has the most vetoes in the United Nations Security Council? The answer is C. United States. Wind-blown sand contributes to what type of erosion? The answer is D. Abrasion. Which is an example of a group of cells with a common structure and function? The answer is B. Muscle tissue. My father was also commander-in-chief. I served only one term as president. Who am I? The answer is C. John Quincy Adams. What is the term for the cost of resources used to produce a good or service? The answer is D. Costs. What molecule is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom? The answer is A. Water. What is the formal name for denim jeans? The answer is B. Blue jeans. Which game was released under the name Everybody's Gone to the Rapture before being rebranded? The answer is C. Heavy Rain. In 1984, FIBA introduced to basketball regulations the three-point line. What is its length from the center of the basket? The answer is B. 20 ft6 and 6.25 m. Mozambique was colonized in 1505 by which European country? The answer is B. Portugal. What type of triangle has exactly 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles? The answer is B. Isosceles triangle. What is the color of the little girl's coat that catches the eye of Oskar Schindler in Steven Spielberg's 1993 movie Schindler's List? The answer is A. Red. What type of fabric is denim? The answer is C. Cotton blend. What are groups of tens to hundreds of thousands of stars held tightly together by gravity called? The answer is C. Globular clusters. Which game features a city called Rapture? The answer is D. Bioshock. Who was the Greek god of the underworld and the dead? The answer is C. Poseidon. What piece of furniture has slats and is designed to be hung horizontally? The answer is D. Screen. When placed in a container at room temperature, which substance has a definite volume but takes the shape of the container?
The answer is C. Water.
What is the largest economy in the world by GDP nominal? The answer is A. USA. What affects how high a cake rises when it bakes? The answer is D. Air pressure. What does HCl stand for in chemistry? The answer is B. Hydrochloric acid. Which network airs South Park? The answer is D. Comedy Central. What is the term for a bed with no headboard or footboard? The answer is A. Divan. Migration and hibernation are examples of behaviors that occur on what temporal basis? The answer is D. Annual. What is the fastest animal on 6 legs? The answer is D. Cockroach. What is used to peel fruits and vegetables?